Hi, welcome at Hawk Academy. Today I show you the use of Maxa Min Mina. Okay, let's start. First of all, here you see that the value, 6 value, and here a row label and equal max. In generally we think that max mean high value. Okay, let's work. Max, cover this full area and close bracket, enter. You see that the value which are calculate is maximum, so that's called max. This value didn't add any tax value. Okay, on the other hand, maxa also count tax value, and which we see that here, and we write text and true and false. Okay, now we calculate maxa. Cover this area. Okay, close bracket and enter. You see that here is 1, but you didn't find any value in 1. How it possible? In this calculation, text equal to 0 and false equal 0. On the other hand, true equal 1. That's why maxa mean 1. Maxa calculate text and numeric value. On the other hand, max calculate only numeric value. Okay, next, min. Equal min. You see that min return the smallest value in a set of value, ignore logical value and text. It means that min only cover numeric value, not any logical or text value. On the other hand, we see that mina here return a smallest value in set of value, does not ignore any logical value or text. So it's clear that min only calculate numeric value. On the other hand, mina calculate numeric and text value also. Okay, let's see. Here send that min and cover this area, close bracket. You see that the minimum value are in min cover. Okay, the minimum value are fighting min cover this, only this. Okay, let's try mina. First of all, text and true and false. Okay, one thing you understand that here is true and false value are logical value. So mina calculate this value cover this area and equal, enter. Here you see that 0 means text equal 0 and false equal 0, true equal 1. That's why the requirement of MINA is minimum value. So it's show that the total cover minimum value text or false. That's why it's 0. That's all about it. Hope that you understand very well. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel Hawk Academy. Stay with me. Thank you.